let's learn how to crop video in TikTok. If you're new to the app or looking to enhance your TikTok editing skills, this video is perfect for you. This process works for both iOS and Android devices. First, let's open TikTok app on your device and make sure you are logged into your Facebook account. After that, click on plus button in the middle of the screen bottom to create a new post. Then select one of the provided options, 15 seconds, 60 seconds, or 10 minutes to switch the settings from the image to the video. Now you can record a new video, or as I will do, choose a pre-recorded video from the gallery. You can do this by clicking on the upload icon in the bottom right corner of the screen to access your videos. After that, select the desired video by clicking on the small circle in the top right corner of the video to select it. Then click the next button in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now you have your video in the publishing menu, and you can add sound or some text to it, but I won't do that this time. The next step to crop your video is to click on the edit option on the right side of the screen. Now you've entered the edit menu, where you'll immediately be offered a crop option in the right corner, and click on it. Then TikTok offers you various dimensions to crop the video, from freeform to 4:3. If any of these options suit you, click on it and crop the video as you like. If you want to crop the video exactly the way you want, click on the freeform option and mark the shape you want the video to be in. When you're satisfied, click the save option in the bottom right corner. Now you can see how the video from the beginning looks. Then click Next in the top right corner to enter the final part of video publishing, and if you wish, fill in the provided options and click the Post button. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.